हाय एवरीवन वेलकम टू माय चैनल। तो आज हम देखिए पॉलिटिकल थ्योरी रो एक्सप्लेन द चेंजिंग इन नेचर एंड स्कोप ऑफ द पॉलिटिकल थ्योरी। तो देखिए एथि तो वीडियो पर चल चल रुहतु कहीं मुझे 3 मार्क्स गोटे इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन आप शेयर कर सहित ये पीडीएफ को आपड़ी पाइपर तार मुझे उपाय कहबी। तो चलते डिस्कसन करें एक्सप्लेन द चेंजिंग नेचर एंड स्कोप ऑफ द पॉलिटिकल थ्योरी। तो ये कौन आम देखा फास्ट द नेचर एंड स्कोप ऑफ पॉलिटिकल थ्योरी हैज बीन कंटिन्यूअसली चेंजिंग एंड डेवलपमेंट इन रेस्पॉन्स टू सोशियो इकोनॉमिक पॉलिटिकल कल्चरल changes which always keep on coming in every society। तो फास्ट टाइम देखले कौन है ना पॉलिटिकल थ्योरी कौन नेचर और स्कोप जो चेंजिंग होची कंटिन्यूअसली कौन होची ना पर कंटिन्यूअसली चेंज होची ना केमती गोटे सोसाइटी इकोनॉमिक पॉलिटिकल कल्चर थिंग्स एक्सेट्रा सब चेंजेस होची। नेक्स्ट टाइम देखिबा getting formulated and developed in the light of different developments and issues of different periods of history। नेक्स्ट टाइम देखिबा पॉलिटिकल थ्योरी इन एंशिएंट पीरियड ऑफ हिस्ट्री माने हिस्ट्री एंशिएंट पीरियड जो पॉलिटिकल थ्योरी से केमती चेंजेस आसी। तो देखिबा इन एंशिएंट टाइम द पॉलिटिकल थ्योरी रिमाइंडेड प्रिमिनरली कंसर्न्ड विथ सच इश्यूज एज आइडियल स्टेट और बेस्ट पॉलिटिकल ऑर्डर इन इट ट्राई टू आंसर सच क्वेश्चंस। तो विभिन्न प्रकार क्वेश्चन जगह सब हम देखते। तो क्वेश्चन जा सब कौन कौन देखिबा। तो फास्ट आसीबो व्हाट शुड बी द स्टेट माने गोटे स्टेट किपरि हेबा दरकार। व्हाट शुड बी द स्टेट, व्हाट शुड बी द आइडियल स्टेट, what should be the ideal relation between the individual and his state। next देखिए what should be the nature of and purpose of state, what should be the basic of political participation and political mobilization। next time देखिए what is ideal citizenship, what is good life in the state and the life। next time देखिए पॉलिटिकल थ्योरी मिडिल एजेस। तो पूर्व आम देखिए एंशिएंट एजेस लेकिन पॉलिटिकल थ्योरी मैंने चेंजेस आसी। बर्तमान देखिए मिडिल एजेस। तो मिडिल एजेस कौन ना इन द मेडिवल पीरियड पॉलिटिकल थ्योरी रिमाइंडेड कंसर्न्ड विथ सच इश्यूज as relationship between religion and politics, between church and state, whether church was supreme or supremacy of the church over the state। philosophers like Marxism strongly advocated the case of supremacy of the state overall institution including the church। next time देखिए political theory since 15th century। तो 15th century कौन कौन सब होइछि after the birth of nation state came to be accepted as supreme and sovereign institution exercising power over all the persons and places। however now the issue of supremacy, the king versus the natural rights of the people and several others become the dominant subject of political theory। rights and liberty of the people also emerged as central issues। next time देखिबा in 18th century the issues of rights of men and citizens become a dominant model। rights, liberty, equality, justice, property, law, legal rights and several others came to be the major areas of theory building and philosophical contemplation। the scope of political theory got expanded in a big way। next we discuss 19th century। 19th century कौन हिची the birth and popularity of Marxism in the second half of 19th century gave rise to such issues as capitalism, class struggle and rights of workers, trade unionism, social and economic rights of the workers and all socio-economic issues and problems। next time देखिबा 20th century। तो 20th century कौन है the coming of socialist revolution in Russia in the second decade of 20th century gave a new dimension to the issues of capitalism versus communism, western liberal democracy versus proletarian revolution and liberal political theory versus Marxian political theory become a very hot subject of debate। next देखिए 1940s। तो 1940s कौन है in 1940s political science experienced the behavioral and the behavioral revolution and it gave rise to several new and big issues in the study of politics। the behavioralist political theories placed emphasis upon the study of human behavior in politics, political process and structure and function of the politics। empirical and scientific study of politics become the main current and political theory came to occupy a back seat। द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ पॉलिटिकल सिस्टम पावर ऑथराइजिंग लेगिटिमेसी political culture, political socialisms, political development and others came to be developed and used for the study of politics. Study of the process of policy making, decision making, conflict resolution, nation building, voting behavior and the political participation came to the very strong popular area of study. Next time देखिबा along with it Marxist political theory continued to be a very popular exercise. The concept of hegemony, civil society, justice, rights of the world, non-colonialism and several others emerge also important topics of study. Next time देखिए contemporary politics theorists have been focusing attention of all these issues. Interdisciplinary studies have been become very popular. A resurgence of political theory has been taking place. Political theorists have been trying to redefine and reconstruction the concept has been approaching issues of politics. बर्तमान conclusion देखिबा the above analyze clearly brings out the fact that the nature and scope of political theory has been continuously changing and expanding. तो यही पर हम देखले तो 3 मार्क क्वेश्चन इंपोर्टेंट यूटिलिटी ऑफ पॉलिटिकल थ्योरी तो अपन देखिबा थी ମୁଁ ଆପଣଠାରେ କ'ଣ ପଲିଟିକାଲର ସବୁ ଥିଓରି ନୋଟ୍ସକୁ ସେୟାର କରିଛି ତ ଏହିପରି ଭିଡ଼ିଓ ପାଇଁ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲ୍ ଯୋଡ଼ି ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ। ନେକ୍ସଟ ଦେଖିବା ତ ଆର ପି ଡି ଏଫ୍ ଯଦି ଆପଣମାନେ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି ତ ଟେଲିଗ୍ରାମ ଲିଙ୍କରେ ଜଏନ୍ ହେଇଯାଆନ୍ତୁ, ସେଠି ମୋତେ ମେସେଜ୍ କରିଦେଲେ ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ସବୁ ପି ଡି ଏଫ୍ ସେଣ୍ଡ କରିଦେବି। ତ ଥ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ୟୁ ଟୁ ଅଲ୍ ଫର୍ ୱାଚିଂ ଦିସ୍ ଭିଡ଼ିଓ।